Hola! It's me, Stephanie. So I just got home from Tagaytay. Plan was just to eat. Okay? Just to eat lunch. Then, na kami ng asyenda para mag-stroll. Sabi namin, punta tayo asyenda para bumaba yung kinain natin because we're so full. Tapos, ang nangyari, habang naglalakad, napadaan kami sa NYEK. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa NYEK, guys. Napabili ako ng running shoes because I'm into running lately. Hala, into running lately. Pero ayan, binili ko. Charan! Color siya ng indigo. The Nike logo. NYEK logo here. Okay, with the Nike logo here. Dapat ang bibilin ko is all black. Tapos nung sinuot ko yung all black, sabi ko, it doesn't scream Steph. She needs color. Trinay ko yung green. Tapos sabi ko, wait, puro green na yung sapatos ko. Okay, sige. Let's go for a bold color. So, ito na lang. So, yan. Ito yung binili kong bagong shoes from NYEK. At dahil bago siya, maglalakad ako at tatakbo ako tonight. See you. Bye. On the way to Makati.